Hello mga friends, good afternoon. Nandito tayo ngayon sa isang kaibigan natin. Nagbisita ko sa isang pasyente at ito si Kuya Edwin. Hello Kuya Edwin, how are you?
I'm good. Mabuti.
Ayan.
How are you?
I'm doing well, thanks. Meron lang akong kunting tanong. Usapang buhay Amerika. Can you tell us first about yourself? Kung taga saan ka sa Philippines at taga saan ka dito?
Pangalan ko Edwin. So I migrated 4 years ago with my whole family.
Wow.
So I have 4 kids. They're all about 21. So the good thing about America is you can always bring your family here, so you can always be together. Unlike in other countries, that is a disadvantage that you cannot bring your family. So we're all together here. Mabuting kaysa hiwa-hiwalay.
That's true.
So, ano pang tanong mo?
Ayan. Kumusta naman ang buhay isang caregiver?
Oh, hindi naman ako caregiver.
Hindi pala dito si Kuya caregiver. Ano pala siya dito?
Assistant lang ako rito.
Assistant siya dito kasi itong pinuntahan ko ngayon guys, parang isang study place. And then yung aking nabisita ay isang founder dito. So ngayon syempre alam niyo naman bawal i-mention ang kanilang mga pangalan at ang kanilang mga identity, baka mahipa tayo. So ngayon si Kuya nandito siya nag-a-assist sa aking isang pasyente, driving him, shopping here, mga ano to sila, mga mahilig mamasyal, ayan. Kumusta naman ang trabaho mo dito, Kuya?
Yeah, ang nature ng trabaho ko talaga dito is more on assisting the director.
Aha.
So I do bookkeeping. I do whenever he asks for a task to do, which he will delegate to me.
Mhm.
And part of it I have to take care of Jim, who needs assistance in his CPA practice. So that's all I do here. Yeah.
Any message sa mga friends natin back home?
So ang mabuti, if you have plans to go here, you have to think twice if you can bring your family. If not, you stay with your family in the Philippines. But if you can bring your family here, it's a good advantage. I will tell you, it's for the young people. This is a big area that your kids can explore all the things here. That's it.
Thank you, Kuya.
Salamat,
And have a
ate.
wonderful day.
Salamat ate.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.